Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about the concat function in Pandas. So we use the concat function to combine data frames in Pandas. Okay, so let me go ahead and get into IPython. And I'm going to import pandas as pd. And I'm going to create sample data frames. So here, what we are basically doing is we are passing in dictionaries into data frame function, okay? Or we are converting this Python dictionaries into pandas data frame. So let me go ahead and copy and paste that code. And now we can do df1 and 2. So this is the table or data frame that we have from two different data frames. So one is df1 and the other one is df2. Okay, so that's how you can create sample data frames. Okay, so the next step is to stack or combine data frames vertically or add rows. And this is the default behavior of the concat function. If we pass in two data frames, Pandas will stack the data frames vertically or add rows. Okay, so let me go ahead and copy and paste this line of code. df rows. So now we see that the two data frames are stacked. Okay, so this is the first data frame and this is the second data frame. Here we see that the index has duplicates. So to ignore that or to fix the duplicate index, we can actually say ignore index true. So let me go ahead and copy paste that code and say df rows reset. And now we see that the index is now fixed. Okay. The next topic is how we can concatenate or combine frames side by side or add columns. So this is actually the syntax. So we say access 1 instead of nothing, because if you say nothing by default, it's access 0, which is to stack rows or data frames. Okay, and we can actually verify this by checking the documentation. So here we see that the access is 0 by default. Okay. And now let me go ahead and copy and paste this code and do df calls. And now we see that the two data frames are combined side by side, or we added them horizontally. Okay. So that's how you can combine data frames side by side. And by the way, the axis 1, we said axis 1, right? So this means that we are aligning rows by index, not by column values. So if we just check, so we are aligning using the index. So here 0, this is the first index. This is the first data frame, df1, and this is second data frame, df2. And we are aligning them based on the index here. So that's why we only have 2 rows instead of 4. Okay, so the next topic is to combine data frames using different columns. And let me go ahead and copy and paste this code, which is the df3. And we are combining df3 and df1 in this example. And the missing columns will be filled with NaN, meaning no values. And let me go ahead and print df mixed. So yeah, so this is the df1 and this is df3 here. Okay, so we see that pandas filled the rows with NaN because they're missing values. Okay, so what's the difference between merge versus concat? So concat stacking, we use concat to stack or combine data frames. And we use merge, the merge function, to join data frames using a common column, just like SQL joins. Okay, so the key takeaways is the concat function. We use it to combine data frames, and we use access 0 to add rows or stack rows. And this is the default behavior. And we use access 1 to add columns side by side instead of vertically. And we say ignore index true to reset the index. And the missing columns will result in NaN. We saw that earlier. And again, we use concat for stacking or to stack rows, and we use merge for matching columns. All right, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.